Want to switch your Apple ID but keep all your data safe? Here's the smoothest way to do it without losing photos, messages, or anything important. First, back up your iPhone using iCloud or a computer. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then select iCloud, then go iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now. This makes sure everything is saved before the switch. Next, sign out of your current Apple ID. In Settings, tap your name again, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password and turn off Find My iPhone. Make sure to choose Keep on My iPhone when it asks about your data. This keeps things like contacts, photos, and Safari data on your device. Now go back to Settings, tap Silent to your iPhone and enter your new Apple ID. After signing in, choose Merge when prompted. This ensures your existing data syncs with the new account. Done! Your iPhone now runs on the new Apple ID and your data stays exactly where it should be. Subscribe for more iPhone tips that keep your info safe and your phone running smooth.